Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia X10 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system option. Now let's tap on date and time, which should be on the third position, and as you can see here we've got some options which we can or cannot customize, because as you can see we cannot set the date, time and time zone manually. It is because we are using those options which are network provided. So first of all we have to turn off both of those options, as you can see just by tapping on the switcher, and now we've got the date option applied, not applied, active. So from this calendar, after tapping on it, we can pick the date we want to use. So let me pick randomly this one, for example, tap on OK. As you can see, it will be immediately applied. The same situation with the time. You can pick the time from this clock. So let me pick 12:30, and after confirming it, it will also appear on the status bar. We've got the time zone. Let's tap on the time zone, tap on the region, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available regions from which you can choose. So of course find yours and tap on it, just like I did here. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied. Of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. As you can see, currently we've got 2:30, and I've previously set 12:30. Here we've got the time format. If you want to set it, let's say automatically, just use local default. If you want to decide manually, you can do it here. So currently we are using 24-hour format. You can use 12-hour one just by tapping on the switcher, and as you can see, it will also be immediately applied. So basically this is how to customize manually the date and time, and of course you can get back to all previous options, the automatic options, if you want to. Just tap on local default, network provided time zone and network provided time. So basically that's all. This is how to change the date and time in your Nokia X10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.